All right, drink we're about to make is a Southern Sunrise. All right, let's put some ice in a glass. We've got a martini glass with some water and ice in it. We're going to let that sit while we make our drink, and it'll be nice and chilled by the time we're done. All right, measure out 1 ounce of Southern Comfort. And follow that up with a ½ ounce of grenadine. And a ½ ounce of lemon juice. And 1 ounce of orange juice. And we're going to shake those up. You should have that pretty orangish red color. All right. Just pound that against the bar a couple times and it should come off. There we go. Try not to break your glass. Dump out your ice water. Get your strainer and pour it in. There we go. The Southern Sunrise. Bottoms up.